Hi children, so we already completed our lesson 1 and we already did a test also, and I hope everybody completed the test paper on time and we did the correction also. I was able to see many happy faces during the live session while you were correcting and while you were telling me the marks. Both the slots, children, many of them completed on time and they corrected it along with me. And I hope the spellings which you got wrong, you studied it properly and you tried doing the audio once again, listening the audio once again and doing the test once again. So I hope lesson 1 is one textbook is thorough for you, because the one word test was completely from the textbook, and question answers you have to study. We will conduct a test paper later maybe, but textbook I hope it's thorough. Okay, so today we shall move on to the second lesson, which is about the teeth. All have a teeth. All of you smile, let me see. All have a teeth. Now, what do you do with your teeth? What is the function of teeth? Now, why do you have teeth in your mouth? Okay, well, why do you have teeth in your mouth? Teeth is something which makes you beautiful when you are smiling. Huh? When you smile, you show all your teeth and you smile. So teeth makes you look good when you smile. Correct? One thing. Then the main thing, what is the teeth doing? Teeth is helping you to bite and chew the food when you eat. Correct? So in the first lesson we studied about the foods, nutrients, different type of food that we eat, and you know everything. When you eat, you have to bite it with your teeth, you have to chew it with your teeth, and then you swallow. You know how digestion is happening. So first you have, when you eat, teeth is the first, mouth is the first part of digestion, where digestion starts, and in the mouth, teeth is the one which is helping you to cut and make the food into smaller pieces, mix well in the mouth, and then it goes to your food pipe. Ready? So teeth is one part of our body which is helping you to chew the food properly, and it helps in the first step of digestion. And as I said in the beginning, teeth is something which makes you beautiful when you smile. Correct? And you might have seen babies with maybe 1 or 2 teeth, and you might have seen your grandparents who don't have any teeth in the mouth, but still when they smile they look beautiful. But when you people smile now because of your teeth, you look beautiful. Alright, so in this lesson we will be studying about teeth, the types of teeth a human have in their lifetime, and the different types of teeth in our mouth. Alright, and the structure of teeth. Then you have the last portion which tells how to take care of your teeth. Now you know that. How do you take care of your teeth? You brush your teeth daily, morning and night you brush your teeth. Then if you have any problem with your teeth, you go to a dentist, etc., etc. That we will see in the end of the lesson. But the beginning of the lesson, we will see the 2 set of teeth human beings have in his or her lifetime. Okay, so you all know, or you might have seen your baby photo when you were small. You might have seen the photo. How do you look in the photo? When you look in your photo, you have all your smiling photos at your home, maybe in your mobile you have, in your album you have, in your laptop you may be having. So just you check the pictures. How, or if you have a baby sister or baby brother at home, or you have seen your cousins, small babies, are they having teeth in their mouth? No. So when you are born, or when anybody is born, they don't have teeth in their mouth. Yes, and when you check your photo, you can see all smiles without the teeth, which is very, very beautiful. Okay, so the teeth is something which is not present when you are born. Okay, so there are 2 sets of teeth which human beings have. Okay, so the first set of teeth is called as temporary teeth. Temporary teeth, and second one is called as a permanent teeth. So these are the 2 sets of teeth which human beings have. So when you are born as a baby, you don't have any teeth in your mouth. Okay, by when you become the age of, not age, when you are around 6 months or 7 months, normally during 6 months babies start developing teeth. Usually the down teeth used to come first, small, slowly it will come up, and then gradually the other teeth. Okay, so mostly during 6 months the teeth start coming. So this teeth is called as a temporary teeth, and the other name of temporary teeth is what? What is it? You might have heard milk teeth. Okay, so milk teeth is the one which is nothing but the temporary teeth. So temporary teeth is the first set of teeth which humans have, and this usually forms or develops in a baby when the baby is 6 months or 7 months. Okay, and in some cases children, they form the teeth by 1 year also. There is nothing to worry in it, but normally when we say in humans, by 6th month the baby will start getting teeth. That is called as milk teeth, or it is also called as a temporary teeth. Okay, so when the baby is around 3 years old, okay, when the baby is around 3 years old, baby's mouth, if you have seen, you will see 20 teeth in the mouth. Okay, so this temporary teeth is the one which starts forming when you are 6 months old, and when you reach around 3 years old, you will be having 20 teeth in the mouth by 3 years. Now can you count the number of teeth in your mouth? Just don't put your finger inside your mouth. Don't put your finger inside your mouth. Just with the help of your tongue, you count how many teeth you have in your mouth. Just count how many teeth you have. Count. Some will be having 23, some will have 24, some will have 25. Correct? Just count and see. I'll wait. So you have, now you may be 10 years or 9 years or 10 years. You may be 9 or 10 years, or maybe some are 8 years. So you will be having around 24 or 25 teeth in your mouth, maybe 23. Nothing to worry. You will have teeth in your mouth. Okay, so when you are 3 years old, you have complete 20 number of teeth. That is called as a temporary teeth. And the other name of temporary teeth is milk teeth. So when does it start? It starts forming when you are 6 months old, and by 3 years old, when you are 3-year-old, you get complete 20 number of teeth in your mouth, which is your temporary teeth or milk teeth. Alright. Now, when you are small, you might run, you play, and you get hurt. Sometimes you lose your teeth. There is nothing to worry, because you have new teeth which has to come. Okay, so now when you remember when you were in first standard or second standard, all your teeth were shaking and you remove the teeth. Either you remove, your parents remove. Sometimes you go to dentist, you get the teeth removed. And after some days, some weeks, some months, the teeth will come back. New teeth will come. So this new set of teeth which is coming in our mouth is called as a permanent teeth. Okay, so now the teeth that you have in the front teeth, up, down and all, is the teeth which has gone already, and you got a new set of teeth, new teeth. So these teeth are called as permanent teeth. Okay, so your parents, everybody, we have a complete permanent teeth. All the teeth have gone. Few of them, obviously they will go, and you get the new teeth. So these are the permanent teeth. And an adult, maybe when you ask your parent, father, mother, when you ask me, we'll say we have 32 teeth in our mouth. When we count, we get 32 teeth. So that is the permanent teeth. So there is one thing which you have to remember. Temporary teeth, when you are small, when you fall, when you get hurt, when you lose your teeth, you get it back. But the permanent teeth, if in my case or in your parents' case, permanent teeth. Now permanent teeth, once you get the permanent teeth, your front teeth are permanent now. You lost your teeth, you got the teeth back. Now the front teeth and all which you got back, the new teeth. Now if something happens to that teeth, it will not come back. Okay, so if it is gone, it is gone. So permanent teeth, once you get permanent teeth, you should be very careful. You have to brush it properly. You have to take care of it properly. When you fall also, if something happens, if you lose a teeth, that is gone. That space will be empty. Alright, so you have to be very careful. So when you are small, maybe if you lost your teeth also, your parents will not be that much worried, because you will get a new teeth. But after you get the permanent teeth, if you lose it, it is gone. So you have to take care of your teeth once you get the new ones. Okay, so how many permanent teeth adult have? An adult will have 32 teeth in the mouth. And this is usually, they get this maybe around 14 to 15 years maybe 14 to 15 years, when you become 14 to 15 years, when you start counting, or maybe you are 18 years old, when you start counting the teeth, you will see you have 32 teeth in your mouth. Now you have only 23, 24, maybe 25 teeth in your mouth. Correct? So, in the lesson, we just started the lesson by saying a human being in its lifetime, when a human is born till the adult stage, they have two sets of teeth. The first set is called as temporary teeth, which is also called as milk teeth. And milk teeth develops when a baby is 6 months old, because when a baby is born, they don't have any teeth in the mouth. So when a baby is around 6 months old, they get the first set of teeth, which is called as a milk teeth or the temporary teeth. Temporary means why? Why temporary? It's only for a few period of time. That is temporary, few period of time. Permanent means throughout. It is there completely throughout. So temporary teeth or milk teeth is the first set of teeth in humans, where it is developed during 6 months, and by 3-year old, when a baby is 3 years old, they have complete 20 number of teeth in the mouth, which is a milk teeth or temporary teeth. Gradually, when the baby becomes big, maybe first standard, second standard, and maybe UKG also, the teeth start shaking, it gets removed, and a new set of teeth start forming, which is called as a permanent teeth. So by the age of 14 to 15, all the teeth will be ready in the mouth, and that will be around 32. So when you ask an adult, or when the question is how many teeth in an adult, you have to write 32, and how many teeth in a 3-year-old, then the answer will be 20. So remember, when you read the textbook, underline whatever is important. So today we studied the importance of teeth in our body. That is, teeth is the one which is helping to bite and chew the food in the mouth, which helps in the process of digestion. And one more thing, when you smile, you look beautiful because of your teeth. And even without the teeth also, you look beautiful. And we study the two sets of teeth, that is temporary teeth, how many in number? 20. And permanent teeth, it is 32. Alright, temporary teeth is also called as milk teeth, develops by the age of 6 months and completes by 3 years. And permanent teeth, 32 in number, by 14 to 15 years. Almost all, they used to have 32 number of teeth in the mouth. So I want everybody to read the textbook. It is just the beginning. We have covered only a little portion today. We don't have to, we'll not run, we'll just go slowly. So this is the first part of the lesson, teeth. So children, I want everybody to read the textbook. Thank you.